Hello friends, welcome to Morning Bites. Today's topic is about Forex and Forex trading. Forex, quite simply, is the global market that allows one to trade two currencies against each other. For example, if you have ever traveled to another country, you usually had to find a currency exchange booth at the airport and then exchange the money you have in your wallet into the currency of the country you are visiting. So, you go up to the counter and notice a screen displaying different exchange rates for different currencies. An exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. Now, when it comes to forex trading, the objective of forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. More specifically, that the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the currency that you sold. The forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, only closing down during the weekends. So, unlike the stock or bond markets, the forex market does not close at all and it is open 24 hours a day. Indeed, trading just shifts from country to country and financial centers around the world. The day starts when traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington, then moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York, before trading starts all over again in Wellington the next day. So we hope that this small video was engaging and you have learned something about Forex on the whole. So in the next section, we will reveal what exactly is traded in the Forex market. Until then, stay tuned with our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.